Alright, here's the situation. I have a 2002 Dodge Caravan Sport, and for the last 2 or 3 years the blower has only been working on low and high. As you can see, now it's just working on high, and you don't want to be without air conditioning in Florida in July, let me tell you. So I was driving the other day, and the blower stopped altogether while I was driving, so I'm going to try to change the lower motor resistor right now, see if that works, and we'll get to it right now. Okay, I'm going to shut the ignition off, pull out the key. Now I'm going to open the glove box. Alright, there's a clip on each side. You just push it in and drop it, and then you do the same thing to the other side. You push it in and drop it. Alright, there's the blower motor resistor right there. These two wires right here go to the blower motor, and I'm just going to take that out right now, this whole resistor right here. And I'm just taking the wires out, pushing this little bottom piece right here, squeeze it, and it comes out just like that. Okay, now I'm going to use an 8mm socket. That's what the original resistor looks like. Here's the box for the new resistor. I got that at Advance Auto. With tax it was $18 and change. That's what the new resistor looks like. Motor blower resistor back in. Now making the connections. There's one. There's two. Okay, let's see what happens now. I'm gonna turn on the ignition. Have the power on. That's at its lowest setting. It's coming out now, so that would be 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. And that's 5. Gee, that was easy. I should have done that years ago. I'm going to go take it for a test drive with the air conditioning on. You can come along for the ride if you like. We'll see if it holds up. Alright. Still driving. Everything is nice and cool.